How is it going, everyone? My name is Yong Hao, and today I'm going to introduce the topic of interview and how it is applied to a elicitation process. Elicitation refers to the process of business analyzation that aims to determine the requirements of that business. Why do we choose interview as a means to elicit business requirements? Well, there are several reasons for that. Firstly, interview is regarded as a systematic approach to get the necessary information of a business by organizing in-depth conversations with respective business owners or employees. Also, business interview would allow interviewers to develop a cordial relationship with the interviewee. When mutual trust is created between both sides, it is possible for interviewers to obtain open answers and deep insights from the interviewee that other elicitation methods would not provide. Thirdly, interviewers would have the opportunity to instantly ask follow-up questions that are still unclear and possibly observe nonverbal cues from the interviewee. For instance, their feelings about one topic. To conduct an interview session, certain preparation works need to be done in advance. A proper location needs to be chosen, and preferably a private one. Interview questions need to be ready before the interview so that the interview could be conducted according to plan. Before jumping into the main topic, it is encouraged to have some cordial conversations with the interviewee to warm up the atmosphere and allow both sides to understand each other. Trust and rapport could be developed during this time to facilitate further elicitation. The pace of the interview needs to be regulated by the interviewer so as to allow enough time for an interviewee's response. The entire time span of the interview needs to be kept within 1 hour to avoid fatigue of both sides. There are several aspects to note when conducting an interview. Firstly, the interview plan should allow a degree of flexibility so that the interviewer could ask follow-up questions or improvising other questions should the interviewer find it necessary. At the same time, interview offers an opportunity for the interviewer to explore and clarify the details of business requirements. Interviewers shall seize this opportunity to enhance his understanding about business requirements. Last but not least, interviewers need to make sure that the interviewee do not feel uneasy during an interview session, as this would discourage mutual trust and make it difficult for the interviewee to give meaningful answers. Interview is a feasible approach for requirement elicitation, while it is not applicable to all circumstances. For example, if the goal is to get opinions of a group of people, brainstorming sessions or workshops might look more favorable than interviews. Another situation where the interview may not be the best option is when requirement elicitation is in an urgency. Interviewing different stakeholders at different locations, one by one, could take a long time. If the project has a tight schedule, then interview may take too much time to be implemented and therefore delay the implementation of the project. Furthermore, the quality of the interview is largely dependent by the interpersonal skills of the interviewer. Therefore, interview results may complicate the requirement generation by introducing more human factors. Below are the 3 references used in this presentation. Thanks for watching.